Hello and welcome to 5 Minute Solution channel. In this video I'm going to explain to you guys how you can install the best video player for Windows 11. So in my testing I have found the PotPlayer to be the best video player. I have like tried other video players as well, like VLC, GOM Player, etc. VLC doesn't have the best appearance or user interface, and sometimes you need to download and install like additional codecs and some stuff, but PLC is best for like people who like customizes a lot. But on the other hand, there was another game player, that is GOM Player. GOM Player appearance is by default the user interface is very polished, but I found many problems within it, like it crashes and stuff, plus it doesn't support codecs, etc. I sometimes I like found those problems, but that is a like a good video player as well if you are like know how to like customize the player and stuff. So, but for me, the PotPlayer is the best for Windows because it is so simple. You just have to download and install it, and it's gonna work flawlessly. At least it worked flawlessly in my case. So for installing it, first you have to download it from potplayer.daum.net, and from here you have to download it. I already have like downloaded it, so I'm gonna open it. So it's gonna unpack. Then you have to like select the language, and from here you just have to click on next and finish it. Then click on I agree here. Make sure to like choose this option, associate all files supported by PotPlayer. Then it's gonna work flawlessly. Otherwise, selecting associate major files supported by PotPlayer might not work good. Then click on next and click on install. And you can install additional codec, but you don't need it. For most case, I haven't found any problem. So I'm gonna like uncheck it and click on run PotPlayer and click on close. So here you can see the player automatically started, and this is the like layout user interface of the player. It's so clean and like it looks good, and at the same time this player works flawlessly, and you can browse its settings from here, like audio, video, subtitle, etc. settings. So you can like close this panel as well, and if you right click on it you can find the main settings, which is preferences. From here you can like customize it a lot as well, but it works flawlessly for default settings in my PC. So that's how you can download and install PotPlayer. If you want more videos like this, then like, comment and subscribe. And also thank you very much for watching this video.